Mary Tasker, and my age is 66.
Mustafa Gültekin. I am from Turkey.
Vicky Stitley. My age is 57.
My name is Melissa Solomon, and I'm 54.
My name is Rafael Garcia. I was born in Salvador. I came here when I was 13 years old.
Manual cutter or utility.
I set the sleeves in, actually.
I'm leaving now, fixing holes in garments and snags and whatever. And it's an important job, I think.
Purchase manager. I everything from thread to buttons, canvas, and all the supplies.
I've been here since 85.
31 years.
For 24 years, 25.
This is all I know. I work in ink. This is my life. I've been working here, from the beginning, starting high school, part-time, super, work myself up.
The people.
The people, everyone's so nice. I love dealing with people. I have my coworkers. I can consider my friends too.
This job is my family generation.
The family atmosphere, it's just become like a second family to me.
My family supported make money.
To make a wonderful garment and to provide for my family.
I need to pay my bills.
I can't stay home. I like working. Honestly, I do. I can stay home for a day or two after that. I need to work, and also just for my family too. He's saying, but I think we all wanna, have give our family a better life.
I met my husband here, so.
I like it here. Been here or I wouldn't stay here this long. And I love my job. I like doing things with my hands. So I like it.
When I became a citizen, and they had a cake for me celebrating my citizenship, so that was really nice for them to do that.